Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to online lectures, Social Studies, Class 5. Hope you thoroughly understand and learn your lesson number 5, our country. And now it's time to solve our work page and answer of the questions. So let's start. Unit number 2, Geography of Pakistan, lesson number 5, our country. Answer keys for questions. Question number 1 is, describe two contrasting geographical features of Pakistan. Answer is, the snow-peaked high mountains to the north of Pakistan contrast sharply with the beaches along the coastline of Pakistan to its south. Question number 2. Write about some of the things in Pakistan which you are proud. The answer of the question is, Pakistan Army, the world's sixth largest standing force, nuclear power, first Islamic state in the world attained nuclear power. Number 3 is salt mines, the second largest mines, the Kyoda mines. Largest irrigation system. Pakistan has the Karakoram Highway, ED, the largest private ambulance network. These are some of the things that we must feel proud of it. Come to the next question. Question number 3 is, how can you make Pakistan a better place? We can make Pakistan a better place by working hard at school and paying attention on your teachers and parents. We can grow up to be a good citizen and a useful member of society. Since we can read and write, we can help to reduce literacy in the country. The next question is, name the international organizations of which Pakistan is a member. Answer is United Nations, UN, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC, Organization of Islamic Conference, OIC, now known as Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Question number 5 is, what are the features that attract tourists to Pakistan? The answer of this question is, tourists are attracted to the famous historical sites and buildings. They also go trekking, mountaineering, fishing and hunting. Come to the next question, question number 6. In what way is Islamabad different from most of Pakistan's other large cities? The answer of this question is, Islamabad is different from the other cities of Pakistan because it is a city that was designed by world famous planners and architects, located at the base of the Margla Hills. It is the capital of Pakistan and was built in the 1960s, so it does not have any previous history of its own. It is the place from which the country is governed, and all the foreign embassies are located there. The next question is question number 7. Why are there not many ancient buildings in Quetta? Answer is, there aren't many ancient buildings in Quetta because in 1935 there was a terrible earthquake that destroyed most of the city. It was then gradually rebuilt. Question number 8 is, which town is called the frontier town? Peshawar in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is called the frontier town. Come to the last question. Question number 9. Differentiate between private and public goods. Give one example of each. Private goods are the goods or services that are provided by private companies or individuals and they are not available to anyone. to everyone. People have to pay to receive them. For example, haircut services, whereas public goods are the goods or services that are provided by the government of any country for its citizens. People do not have to pay for these goods as they are provided for free. For example, street lights. Now come to the work page. Yes. Question number 1 is Pakistan has been the home of past civilizations and empire. Where would you find the remains of the Gandhara civilization? Write a few lines about it. The answer of this question is the Gandhara civilization flourished in the north and northwest of the country. The remains can be found mainly in Texla. Next question. Fill in the blanks. There are dusty plains in the dash of the country. Number 2. The dash deserts is in the dash of the country. We dash sport equipment to many countries. Answer of the first blank is south. South of the country. Answer of the second blank is the third deserts is in the east of the country. We dash sport equipment to many countries. We export. The fourth one is SAARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Development. The last one is to the south is the dash coast along the dash. Makran coast along the Arabian Sea. Come to the next question. Look at a detailed map of Pakistan. See if you can find the following cities and towns on it. Number 1. 2 cities in Punjab beginning with M. You have to write the answer of the question number 1. Answer of the question number 1 is Murree and Mianwali. Come to question number 2. 3 district capitals of Balochistan beginning with K. The answer of this question is Kalat district, Kharan district and Khasdar district. Question number 3 is 2 district capitals of Sindh beginning with S. The answer of this question Sakar and Shikarpur. Come to the question number 4. The capital of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's northernmost district beginning with C. Answer is Chitral. And question number 5. The capital cities of the provinces. Yes, here you have to write the name of the capital cities of the provinces of Pakistan. The first one is Punjab, Lahore. Sindh, capital of Sindh is Karachi. Capital of Balochistan is Quetta. Capital of KPK is Peshawar. And capital of Gilgit-Baltistan is Gilgit. Hope all these answer of the questions and the fill in the blanks and work page is easy to understand for you. I wish you best of luck. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay blessed. Always keep smiling.